Hey curls, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get these really simple and easy passion twists. I'll show you both the crochet way with the rubber bands, and I'll show you the braiding method also. So if you're a little bit unsure of which one you want to go with, definitely give this a watch and let me know what you think about it. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm going to start on freshly washed and blow dried hair. This is my hair after I've blow dried it. Don't judge me because I cannot blow dry my hair for anything. So I'm going to start by adding some oil to these bands. So the reason that you're meant to add oil to the rubber bands is so that it doesn't actually break your hair when you put them in. Alright, so I've just finished parting all of my hair. Apart from the back, which Mum's going to help me do. Okay, so how you want to start these are, you want to get 2 bits of hair and put them together and just fluff them out a little bit, like that. Crochet needle. Make sure it's open, it needs to go under your rubber band like this, and then you put the hair, close it, pull it through and then open it. I'm just going to pull one side through. So now you should have 2 sides like this. Tighten your hair. I'm just going to put some more of the edge gel onto my hair so it's not too fluffy and it comes out. Split it into 2, and then you want to twist each of these sides. So twist and twist as you twist. And for this, I want mine just a little bit longer than my own hair, because I kind of like it how it looks short as opposed to the full 18 inches of the hair that it comes in. So I'm just gonna go to the end where my hair finishes. Put some more gel and twist. Just make sure my hair doesn't come out the ends, because my hair loves to come out of braids. For some reason it's so soft. And then rubber band in the end, and now I'm just going to cut next to my other one, which is here. And done. And I've kind of changed how I've done it. So I did start off with like the crochet method that looks like this, you see at the top, and then I kind of changed to this method, how I'm going to show you now. It's more of the braiding method. If you kind of know how to box braid, not knotless, but with the knots. So I kind of switched because I sort of prefer how it looks. It gives it a little bit of like volume at the top instead of just like dropping down. So all you're gonna do is start like this, put it over the rubber band. This is your third strand, your hair, and you just start to braid in the hair like this. And then when you've done a few of the braids, you then split your hair in half and add it to each of the twists, and then twist the remainder of the hair. I don't know, it's so much quicker to do it like this as well. Like, I do like the crochet way, but it's a little bit fiddly, and this is just a little bit easier for me. I kind of prefer how it looks, but I'll probably mix it up as I go along, just depending on how I feel. Okay, so my mum literally just finished helping me do the back. So my mum did all the back, she sectioned it and rubber banded it all, so now I can just carry on with installing the twists. And it took, honestly, the longest part is actually doing the partings and the rubber bands, because installing the twist is so easy, but it literally took me probably about an hour and a half just to section it. So as I was saying last night before my camera died, is that I've been using the braiding method instead of the crochet method, just because I feel like it is quicker to do, and upon reflection, if these rubber bands snap off, like as the week goes by, the crochet method probably isn't the best, because there's nothing for it to hold on to. So yeah, it's probably a bit better that I'm doing the braiding method as opposed to the crochet method. But I have nearly used the whole pot of this, which is a bit of madness. Oh, I've got one more rubber band here. And these, just enough. Finally finished. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go through, because I know a couple of these rubber bands actually broke off, I think, when I was sleeping. So I'm going to go through and check and make sure all the ends are banded, and then I'm going to set it. I would like to do this without the rubber bands, I'm not going to lie, because they're a little bit irritating, like it catches. If you can see here, like the hairs just get caught, which is annoying, and I'm too lazy to take it all out and do it again. I'm gonna leave it. Can't really see it anywhere. Oh, that is actually gonna annoy me. Do you know what? I'm pulling it out. Okay. I could definitely do this without rubber bands, but the partings are quite hard to do. Obviously, if you can't see the back of your head, it is a little bit tricky. And just because with the rubber bands, obviously they do break. I hope I'm not gonna have to keep putting rubber bands in my hair every day, so that's just long. So I've sorted it out now, all rubber bands. I'm just going to put some oil on my scalp. And the last thing, actually, second last thing, I'm going to set it with some, it's Texture My Way Stretch and Styling Foam.